Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check your SSNIT number. First, understand that knowing this number is vital for accessing your Social Security benefits. You will learn the various methods available for retrieving it, both online and offline. Before you begin, ensure you have your necessary identification documents ready, such as a national ID card, to facilitate a smooth and quick process. This preparation will save you time and effort. To check your number online, visit the official SSNIT website or download their mobile application. Navigate to the section for checking your SSNIT number or accessing your member statement. You will need to input personal details like your full name, date of birth, and a valid identification number. Follow the clear, on-screen prompts to securely retrieve your SSNIT number, often within just a few moments, from the comfort of your home. If you prefer an offline approach, you can visit any SSNIT branch office. Remember to bring a valid national identification card, as it is essential for verification. A friendly customer service representative will be available to assist you in retrieving your number. Alternatively, you may contact the SSNIT call center during their operational hours. Be prepared to provide your personal information to the agent for secure verification and prompt assistance over the phone. It is crucial to always keep your SSNIT number confidential to prevent any potential misuse or unauthorized access. Should your personal information change, remember to update it promptly with SSNIT to ensure your records are accurate. Immediately report any suspicious activity or unauthorized attempts to access your account. Your SSNIT number is a fundamental key for accessing your Social Security benefits, so safeguarding it is paramount for your future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.